Welcome to class 6 students. This is the second part of the chapter MS Word working with tables. In my previous video I have discussed with you what tables are, what rows and columns mean, and how to insert a table in in MS Word. So I hope you have understood those. Today I am going to continue with the next part of this chapter. That means how to insert a row and column in an already existing table. Okay. So I hope you will enjoy this video as well. Okay, let's start. So students, we will continue with moving in a table, the topic that you have in page number 71. Okay, so to do that we need to first insert a table. Just like previous time we will insert the table. Okay, I have drawn a table with 3 columns and 4 rows, as you can see. Now I will write something here so that you can demarcate each cell. So I will name these columns as 1, 2 and 3, and I will name these rows as this one I will name as A, next B, next C. Okay, so suppose I will go A, B, C, after that C, D, next E, next F, here also I will F, after that G, H, I. Okay, so I have named all the cells. As you can see, I have named all the cells. So now right now where am I am at the cell I. I am at the cell I. So from cell I, suppose I want to move to cell 2. How will I do that? I can use my keyboard. Okay, I can use my keyboard to go up like this. So we went to the topmost cell of that column, and then we went to the left, and then we are at the cell which is marked as 2. So we used our keyboard. Okay, so suppose I am at 2 and I want to move to one cell to the right. This is my right, the cell at the 3 numbered cell is the right of this. So how will we do that? We will either click on the right arrow, we went to this one, or we can do what? We can click on tab. What is tab? This one is tab. Okay, so how will we do it? We can either use tab, or similarly we can also use right arrow. Clear? Again see I am clicking on tab now. It went from 2 to 3. Again coming back to 2, I am clicking on the right arrow, it is going from 2 to 3. Okay, this is how we can move to the right side. But how can we move to the left side? We can use shift plus tab, and shift plus tab means these two. Okay, shift plus tab. I went to the left. Again I am doing it. See, I am at cell 3. I will go to the cell 2, cell number 2, which is to the left side of cell 3. So I'll click on shift plus tab, means shift and tab together. I'll click on it, it will come to 2. Did you see? I'll do it again. Shift plus 2, it came. And the other way is to click on the left arrow. Okay, like this. Okay, now we got to know how to move up left and right. Next we will get to know how to move up one arrow and down one arrow. So we are at the first cell, so now we can move down. How? Here are left and right arrows, and here are up and down arrows. So we will click with the up and down arrows. Down arrow, down arrow, down arrow, up arrow, up arrow, up arrow. And if we have to move to the right side, right arrow. If we have to move to the left side, left arrow. Like that we can move in a table. Okay, now we can also do that with the help of the mouse. This is basically the mouse of the of my laptop. So means there is no separate mouse. This pad portion of the laptop is the mouse, so we can use that, or we can use these keyboard combinations to move within a table. Okay, now I'll clean this up. Let's undo this so that we get a clear table. Okay, now let's not undo this because we are going to insert a row and column now, and for that we need these numbers of the cells. Okay, so numbers, I am keeping the numbers intact. And next, moving on to inserting a row or column. Sometimes we want to insert rows and columns in an existing table. So this one is the existing table, right? And we want to insert a row or a column here. How can we do that? So suppose first you want to insert a column between 1 and 2. 1 and 2 you want to insert a column. Okay, so what will you do? You will first choose any of these two cells, either 1 or you will choose 2. Okay, so let's choose 1. We are now going to add a column to the right side of this cell 1. How will we do? We will go to layout. Can you see the layout here? Okay, so we have gone to layout, and then we have these options: insert above, insert below, insert left, insert right. So here we are at 1 and we want to insert one column to the left side of this. So we will keep on clicking this, and then we will click on insert right. So did you see one column got added between this one and this one just by clicking insert right? Okay, now I'll undo this. Now suppose we are in cell 3 and I want to insert a column between this column and this column. So what are we going to do? We will go to layout, same, and here we have an option of insert left. Let's click on insert left. One column is being added between this column and this column. So this is how we can add columns or insert columns in an already existing table. Okay, now what can we do if we want to add a row? Let's undo this. Undone. Okay, now suppose I am at cell A and I want to insert a row between A and B. So what we will do? We are at A. Suppose we can do B also. We are at B. We will go to layout again. Here we will do insert above, because I want to insert a row column between A and B. That means it will be above B. So I am at B right now, so I will click on insert above. A row is being added between A and B. Undo. Okay, now suppose I am at A and I want to insert a new row right below A. So we will do insert below. Done in the same way. Okay, so this is how we are going to add or insert a row or a column. We can do more as well. Insert below, another one, 2 rows between A and B added. Okay, so this is how as many number of rows and columns as we want we can add between 2 rows, 2 adjacent rows or columns in an already existing table. Okay, we will continue with this chapter in the next video.